Before replacing the bulbs, turn off the headlights and the ignition. If possible, do not touch the new bulbs with your bare hands on the glass body. Although negligible, this can lead to a shorter lifespan for the bulbs.
Low beam.
Access is possible through a flap in the wheelhouse liner. Remove the rubber cover on the back. Remove the socket from the reflector by turning it counterclockwise. The H7 bulb is only plugged in and can be pulled out of the socket. When reinserting the bulb, make sure that the nose of the bulb is back in the correct position.
Flashing light.
Here too, access is possible through the flap of the wheelhouse liner. Remove the socket from the headlight by turning it. Press the bulb slightly inwards and turn at the same time to remove it from the socket.
High beam.
Access to the high beam is possible via the engine compartment. On the right side, you have to remove an air intake pipe to have better access. Remove the rubber cover on the back. Then unplug the lamp. Then press the clips down and slide them out of the guides. When reinserting, make sure that the flattened side of the bulb is back in the correct position. You will notice this when the bulb sits correctly on the reflector and does not wobble. Then reassemble the clips and plug in the connector.
Parking light.
Here too, access is via the engine compartment. The parking light bulb is located right next to the high beam bulb. The socket is only plugged in and can be pulled out of the reflector. The bulb is also only plugged in and can be pulled out. All installed lamps and important links can be found in the description. That's it. Good luck with your DIY project.